Welcome to this video calibrating the Dytran 3010 M14 accelerometer using the AT2040 by Agate technology. We'll go ahead and get started by selecting tests. We're going to perform a test. It's an IEPE sensor. This is a Dytran 3010 M14. And we'll go ahead and click an automatic test. So what we've done is we've just selected this sensor setup right here that I have shown here at the top. So we went ahead and we selected an IEPE sensor that was a Dytran 3010 M14. Now the shaker is going through the automatic test right now that we set up in these fields as shown right here. It's going to be 20, 50, 75, 100, all the way up to 10K. The sensitivity, we've set this up. This is primarily for the simulator output if we wanted to simulate this sensor. And then we've inputted the mass for load correction. And then we've input the IEPE supply current at 2 milliamps. Now over here, we have frequency response limits. So this is if you wanted a pass and fail criteria, you would copy the information off the data sheet. For example, from between 5 to 2,000, you have a 5% on the data sheet, and then from 5 to 7,000, it may be 10%, and then from 3 to 1K, or to 10K, this is 3 dB. So we click this box here to designate dB. And then on the screen here, we can see that the limits are shown. And when pass and fail is active, these will be color coded. Currently, we have the phase off, and we also have the pass and fail turned off, just for this demonstration here. So we'll go ahead and let that run. I do want to show you one thing that if you don't want to look at the table, you can do a graphical version where the sensitivity is plotted in relation to the reference sensitivity. And this same graph is going to be copied over to the calibration certificate if you choose to export the PDF. So here we're on step 9 of 15 or 10 of 15 now at 5K, and it's continuing to run. You can see here a little bit of what I was talking about at 8K in regards to the limit. It's at 3 dB on the sensor setup program, which comes up to be 41.3 if you were to put that in percentage. Okay, now our test has been completed, and that was about 5 minutes for 15 test points. We'll go ahead and go back to the main menu. And then under setup, we can export data. We can see that our data is here to export, and we can either save that to PDF in PDF certificate format, or we can export it to CSV if we want to import that into a spreadsheet. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.